Hello, this is Joan Salvatella, one of the founders of Bookline. At Bookline, we work with voice assistants that answer the phone. And why? Because we believe that the journey starts from the very first moment. So whenever you're trying to reach a company, we don't think it's acceptable to stay on a queue for several minutes. We don't think it's acceptable to make a phone call and no one is answering. We don't think it's acceptable that you make a call, you talk with someone, then they skip over to another person and they don't know how to handle this. At least they could have said so in the very first moment, right? So that's why we're working to build a superhuman voice assistant. So voice is the fastest and most natural way to communicate, right? Voice assistants use machine learning to understand people in natural language because that's how this is how we like to engage with people. We don't, when we're talking with someone, when we're face to face, we don't just send them a text message. We just engage talking because it's the fastest way, right? So that's why we design voice assistants that answer the phone for any type of business that is looking to improve their customer service. So with us, you can forget about the press one to talk with customer service, press two to talk with invoicing. We just do it as the natural way, how humans would do it. But we're looking to just enhance this experience because humans are also limited, but computers have a way of actually improving us and improving themselves. So why can't we just provide these insights, this information, these actionable things for them to improve customer support? So at the moment, more than 500 companies are already trusting in us in order to improve their customer service because we built a unique assistant for them. Our core value proposition here is to get to understand what are the unique needs of each company. We take that into consideration and we create a bespoke user experience tailored to their needs. But we do it with a focus on each industry. We cannot just build one voice assistant for every company. So what we do is we create a voice assistant as a service. We create a core understanding of the user needs for that specific industry, and then we allow to configure this to each company. Because, for example, let's give it the restaurant industry sector, right? So whenever you're trying to call a restaurant, you can either want to make a reservation, ask for a delivery or takeaway, or maybe you just want to talk to someone because you left your car keys on the table, right? So this is common for every restaurant. What we do is we bring this to one unique voice assistant that understands any kind of interaction that can happen on the restaurant industry, and we allow each client to customize the experience to their core values, to their brand. So, for example, not every restaurant is actually making what is called table rotation, right? So you have a specific shifts for each table. So why do you have to say that information if you're not doing that, right? So that's what one of the examples that we're doing. And with this, we continuously improve the voice assistant from the feedback that we get from all others. So there is a network effect here that the more restaurants that they start using our service, the more the system improves for everyone. And this is a platform that we have built with the best of the best. We use Jambonz, an open source CPaaS that is actually providing us the tools to create custom voice experiences over the phone. This is just fantastic. Then, in order to properly transcribe what users are saying and synthesize the answers from our voice assistants, we just work with what is best at each moment. We use Google for transcription, but it's not the best solution in order to get short sentences. So whenever we're expecting a yes or no answer, we just transcribe using Microsoft because it's fastest in detecting silences. And Amazon Web Services has the best voice in Spanish, at least, in order to engage in natural language. So we just work with the best of the best. And we're looking to grow our partner network. It's not that our technology is the best of the best, but we want to work with companies that are already in contact with clients that are using their, their phone systems, their PBX solutions, and they are looking to work with a specialized company that is working with voice assistants. That's us. If you are interested in this, let us know. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope to hear back from you soon. Bye.